Our first step in building our model is to think about what might influence our inputs and outputs. Literally, what might cause sand to enter or leave our invisible box. Beaches are naturally dynamic systems, and beaches change all throughout the year. But when these changes are accelerated or when human-created factors come into play, this can cause beaches to change more quickly than would happen naturally. It can also be problematic if there isn't enough sand coming in as an input. If the beach sand doesn't get replenished somehow, the entire beach can erode away and disappear. So to start, your project teams will need to think about everything that might affect the sand volume in our defined system under study, which is the North Beach. If you've ever been to a beach or gone surfing, you've probably observed things that cause sand to erode or build up on the beach again. This could include environmental factors that occur naturally, such as waves. It can also include things that people have built or caused, such as seawalls or sea level rise. We call these human-caused factors anthropogenic factors. To start out, in your field notebook, make a chart with 2 columns. Label the columns with 2 categories, environmental factors and anthropogenic factors. Next, work with your project team to brainstorm everything that you can think of that might affect the sand volume on the North Beach. For now, no idea is a bad idea. And don't worry yet about how they interact with one another. Just brainstorm as many different factors as you can and sort them out into those 2 categories. Move on to the next slide to get started with your brainstorming.